happy Sunday. It's National Dog Day today, and we have 3 dogs. And so today, not really having to do anything with National Dog Day, we decided to go get some Roombas. So, which I'm very excited about because having 3 dogs vacuuming is a real pain in the butt. So we're gonna get these unboxed and turn them on and see what the dogs think. I think they'll be funny. But we also want to introduce you to our dogs today, just because I don't think we've done that before. So anyone that doesn't know our dogs, today's the day you can meet them. Let's start with Bubble because he's right here. This is Bubble. He's Kennedy's dog. He's our youngest. He's only 2 years old.
Yeah.
But he is also the laziest. He's a lazy bum, but he's sweet.
Hey guys. Yeah.
Bubble. We call him Bubble Trouble. He's always getting into trouble. And he's the only boy of our family. And you can see he pretty much lets Kennedy do whatever she wants to him. Okay, let's go find the other doggies. All right, dog number 2. This is Kyrie. Say hi, Kyrie. I'm sure you've seen her in some of our other videos, especially from moving, because she likes to run and sit up seat. She likes to run the front seat when we go places. Right, Kyrie? Right. Yeah. She's the oldest of our 3 dogs. She is 15, or about to be 15 in October. So she was my dog before I even met Chris, so she's my baby. Good girl. Oh, good girl. She might not care about the Roombas. She's old enough where I don't think she would care anymore. Let's see if we can find Red. All right, here's the 3rd one. This one's Red. This is Jude's puppy. She is, how old is Red?
Either 5, 6, or 7. I'm not sure. It's 5.
You got her when you were 3, and you're 9 now. So math.
6.
She's 6. Yes, and she's very sweet. Now Bubble's trying to get on the action. If Red's getting attention, move your booty. Let Red have a minute. See, Red is the doofiest of the dogs. She loves all the attention. Does that feel good? She will come to anyone's name, not just her own, but if I say Kyrie, she'll come to me. If I say Bubble, she'll come to me. She just wants all the love. Come here, Kyrie. Come here, Kyrie. See? And you're not Kyrie, are you? Neither are you. What are you doing? You're a mess. The dogs. It's the dog vlog. The dogs want to dog. You're too close to me. Get away. I'm being attacked. Ah! Oh my gosh. This dog. All right, they're still rolling around. You guys excited for your new toy today? Your new toy? You're gonna see a robot? Of all of the dogs, I think we already know like how they're all gonna react, and we're gonna see if that's true. We think Bubble will growl and bark. There's Chris. Bubble will growl and bark. I think Kyrie won't care. And I think Red will be very afraid. Because she's afraid of a lot of stuff. She's the scaredy dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we're starting with. It's the Roomba 690. And we got it because it was on sale at Target. So we're going to open it up and check it out. Before I open it, I was going to show you some of the features it has that it says on the box. So it's smart in its navigation, so it can go around any room or under furniture, avoiding the stairs. We have stairs, so that's pretty important. And then it's simple to use. You can schedule it, and it also links up to your Alexa if you have one of those, and we do, so that's awesome. And clean 3-stage cleaning system uses combination of agitation, brushing, and suction to remove dust, dirt, and hair from your floors. And we got a lot of hair, right, Bubble? Right. Okay, so we got it open. And looks like there's an instructions manual here on what to do. The actual robot is in here, as well as, what is this? The plug-in station. That's the charging station down there. And I bet this is just like all the cords and stuff. Yep, cords and batteries. So that's pretty cool. It comes with batteries. Cord. What's down in here? Ooh, a filter. It's gonna filter all the hair out of our. Ooh, and this is to get. Oh, that's pretty cool. Like a cleaning tool. So if your hair gets caught up in the little bristles, you can cut it out and scrape it. That's nice. Oh. Let's see. I don't know what this is, but I will find out in a minute. And then the batteries. So that's all that's in the box. Let's put it together. I wanted to take a second to show you what the bottom of it looked like. So it has a filter in it already. I don't know how to open this, but you can see there's a filter in there already. So the one that it came with is a replacement. Has the bristles and these little rubbery thingies for suction. These are the wheels, obviously. And it also has this little spinner brush to bring dirt into, see, it would swoop it out from here and bring it into this area. So that's pretty cool. So far, yeah, dogs don't care. Kennedy's helping me unbox, right? Thank you. So we did the first part, we plugged it in and we pulled the tab out. And I put it on the third part. It says it's gonna take 3 hours to charge up. And so it looks like this. It's like lighting up and you can see like the charge is no charge. So we'll see what happens in 3 hours. But next we're gonna download the app from the App Store, and then we'll be able to use this from our phones and just press clean, or you can just press the button if you don't want to deal with the whole app thing. But I'm going to research too on how to get it set up to our Alexa device, so we can just say, hey Alexa, clean the floor, and good old robot will get to work. We'll have to give it a name. Also, the robot came with this thing, and you can stand it like in an area, and it'll make a perimeter around it, so the robot will know not to go in that area. So if you want a place that's off limits, you stick this there, and it makes a perimeter for it. Pretty cool. While we wait on our Roomba to charge up, let's check in with Chris. He's making, what are you making?
Beef ribs.
Some beef ribs. He got a happy thing to, well, not today, but this week. He got a smoker grill. So
I'm gonna actually smoke these bad boys.
Are you soaking, what is this?
That's mesquite chips.
Mesquite chips he's soaking up. What are you drinking on?
Black lager.
Ooh, can I try it?
Yeah. Very crushable.
Very good. It's a good barbecue beer.
Yep. That's why
are you taking all the fatty goodness off?
I'm not taking all the fatty goodness off. There's still good fat here. I've got to get that nasty layer off the back of them, you know, when you eat a thing of ribs.
Oh yeah. I was trying it.
It's really tough.
I hear your thing popping in the back.
Yeah.
I also hear some kids just making noise for no good reason.
Yeah.
Red's supervising, making sure you don't drop anything. Right, Red? You right? Let's see what's going on. Stay back, kids.
I will.
It's popping. Ooh. It's hot. It's nice out today. It's only like 83 maybe. So this is Chris's new grill. Should you be leaving the lighter fluid like on the hot grill? It's fine. We'll see. So what is this wood in here? That's charcoal?
Yeah,
Lump charcoal. Neat. Oh, we also got this little table and chair set. We haven't even taken the tags off yet, but they were on clearance at Target too. We just took everything Target had to offer today. You like that?
Yeah, this
Is it
is
comfy?
Yeah, this is
No.
my new chair.
No, those are Mommy and Daddy's.
No, these are ours.
It's been some time later. It hasn't been quite 3 hours, but the app said that the robot was ready to go. We named her Rosie after the robot from the Jetsons. So Kennedy's going to push that clean button in the middle. We already have our dogs here. Well, one of them. There's Bubble and Red. Kyrie could care less. We couldn't get her to come over. So go ahead, press the clean button. All right, get out of the way. And see what she does. You think she'll move?
Any second now.
All right, I had to turn the camera off because I needed the app to turn her on since I linked her up to Wi-Fi. Let's see. Oh, look at her. She's like scrubbing. Keep in mind, I did vacuum today, so I'm curious to see how much she picks up. Bubble sees it. What is that, Bubble? You gonna get it?
Rosie's
Oh, it's coming for him. It's coming for him. Oh, she's gonna go under there. Yes. Clean it. I do not vacuum under things. I'm a bad vacuumer. The dogs don't seem to care yet, but Red hasn't been in here. Red, come here. Red, Red.
Stay here.
No, let him go. Don't hold him.
Oh,
Is that scary? Is that scary thing? He actually doesn't care that much. Red! Redu! Come here! She saw it. What is it?
It's like, I'm gone.
Ah!
This is nice.
What is it? Oh, she hit us with her tail. Well, it's cool how it turns around. It does. This is going to be a 30-minute show of watching the Roomba clean.
I cleaned enough.
What do you think, Red? What do you think about that? You gonna get it, bud?
Oh no.
Oh, it's on the cord. Oh, but it was fine.
Huh. Really good.
Good job, Rosie. This will be hours of entertainment for the children. She listened to you. I brought Kyrie in here to see it. And she just walks off. She doesn't care. Oh, she noticed. Ah. Let's see if it goes onto the hard floor, no problem. Oh, sweet. Easy transmission. Okay, so Rosie's been running for about 30 minutes downstairs. And like I said earlier, that I vacuumed this morning. The dogs are outside, they're mad about it. So I'm curious to see how gross. Let's see if I can open her. I might need 2 hands. Here. Wait just a second. All right, sorry, I had to use 2 hands. I got her bottom off there. Let's see if she's gross in there. Too much hair. No, she's still kind of clean. There's a few hairs there, but her little area, oh my gosh, is so dirty. How dirty that is. The kids are eating. Ew, your nose is running. So I'm gonna have to clean this out. Look how dirty, babe. Even though I vacuumed this morning. It's full. 30
Red
minutes.
dog.
Yeah, red dog. Alright, so let's clean this out. So that was our first home vlog. Opening our Roomba and having a little doggy time for National Dog Day. And if you liked our home vlog, let us know in the comments and we'll do some more. It was really fun to just slum around the house and enjoy our time here and share it with all of you. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of us, just subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you later. Bye.